Hey gang, today I'm going to show you how to check or change your air filter in your C5 Corvette. Okay, this is actually a pretty simple process, and you'll see up in front of the vehicle you have your air intake and air filter box, and there's a couple of latches here, and you just lift those up. Let them go up and over, and it tells you right here, pull to service filter. So we're just gonna pull this out. And those hooks are gonna get hung up there. Okay, but anyway, you can see the filter where the air goes in. This is the side that faces the throttle body, and this just pulls up and out of here. Pretty easy. So I just cheated and blew this out with compressed air, but I think I am going to replace it with probably with a K&N, but this will get me a few miles down the road, and it's pretty easy to just pop back in. You do have to lift up on this shroud, and it will slide back in there. And just make sure you have your catch hooks up in there. You can see that, and same thing on the other side. Okay, that's it. Super simple.